Bob, 10 years ago, fate brought us back together, and love found us. From then on, I realized that I had fallen in love with the best girl anyone could ask for. The kindest and most caring person. Di ko ma-imagine yung buhay ko pag wala ka.
Darling, if you need me, you just gotta let me know. I'm coming home. I'm coming home.
Gift namin ni Jana sa inyo.
Whether Dublin or LA.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Hi, Bob. We're finally here. So the past 10 years have been such a roller coaster ride for both of us. Who knew, right? Who knew that the boy in green statement shirt will be standing in front of me today?
Revelry, one more night and then I'll be. I'm coming home.
Patuloy kayong maging mayaman sa pagmamahal sa isa't isa. Continue to love each other.
Ano meron doon? Umayak! Mamaya ka na umayak!
I'm on my way, day or night, rain or shine, wrong or right. I'm on my way, day or night, rain or shine, wrong or right. I'm on my way home. I'm coming home. I'm coming
Oh my God, Everything is so worth it with you. And I'm grateful to be called your husband today. On the same day that I also said I love you to you 10 years ago. I hope you like my gift to you. I know how much you like Switzerland. I can't wait to go back there with you. To many more travels with you, mahal kita.
when the lights go out and you can't stop thinking.
This day, exactly 10 years ago, was the first time you said I love you. I didn't say it back in 2014. But now, I'm saying my greatest I love you back by marrying you in front of God. I love you, Bob.
The world got cold, but don't you let it go. I'm less afraid.
You've loved me through all of the craziness and supported me every step of the way. Thank you kasi andyan ka sa tabi ko hanggang maabot ko yung pangarap ko.
Let the tears fall down. Yeah, I don't care now. As long as you're with me.
Maraming salamat. Kasi minamahal mo rin ako sa mga panahong mahirap akong mahalin. Hindi ka sumuko. Kaya ngayon, as one of my favorite Filipino songs say, pangako, hindi kita iiwan. Pangako, di ka pababayaan. Pangako, hindi ka na mag-iisa. Pangako, magmula ngayon tayong dalawa ang magkasama. Si Angel yung hawak ko eh.
With you by me, gonna let the sea go tumbling. Let the ghost get loud.
Hi Bob, so yung gift ko, since gusto mong bumalik sa Hokkaido, trip back there yung gift ko sa'yo. Sana ma-happy ka dun. See you in a bit. Huwag ka kabahan. Mag-yes naman ako. I love you. I promise to be the best man and to give you the best in life. You will always be my dream come true. Mamahalin kita at kayo na magiging anak ko habang buhay. I love you forever, mahal ko. You are the love of my life.
Pipiliin kong maging sa'yo sa araw-araw ng buhay ko. Mahal na mahal kita.